Hello, good morning everyone. This is Zach from XIFU. So if you are joining here with me, appreciate if you can help me to click the like buttons for me. Help me to share this out. Again, a quick disclaimer, this section here, we are not doing any buy and sell call. So if you want to trade any stock based on discussion in this morning, make sure you got one trading plan. If not, get advice from a professional. Okay. So now we're going to look into again daily updates over here. What is going on over in the market? Last Friday, I think a lot of accounts actually closed very nicely. Okay, so actually this is including UUE. Okay, I think this morning it actually break further with another 3 to 4%. Now let's start with AppBank KLCI first, and then we're gonna see the overall direction. If you got any counters, just comments below. If not, just going to go into my trick signal, then we will probably going to end this morning here. So okay, now MDM KLCI overall, like I said, still remain, if let's say they are still remain 1500, still good. Okay, actually yes, they do rebounded from 1500 level. So hopefully they got a chance to retest back to this level over here. So looks like we still this week probably is going to be a good week, because I was expecting for them to try potential resistance. Okay, so maybe those counter actually make a pullback complete. We can actually start looking through it. Okay, in fact today from my tricks over here, I think we do see some good lists here. We have SCGBHD, PWL. I'll take a look into it. Okay, Mr. DR is coming back. Ying Sun. Evin Sunway, I do see the next Solar West also appear in my list. Okay, so probably later on we're going to go through it one by one. So now let's go into some stocks that we have been following up since a couple of weeks ago. Like I said, I still like Greta a lot. Okay, I think the pullback pattern is pretty nice after the reversal pattern. So nothing to comment because they are still hanging around the 20 MA. Okay, everything still looks pretty good. Okay, now the other one is Gtronic. They actually make a sugar complete by making a gap last week. Unfortunately, it didn't really retest to support. I was queuing at the bottom, but it didn't really hit. But overall, still pretty good for Gtronic here. Okay, we have me. Okay, me very nice. Okay, still holding well near the support. The other one is S&P Tech. Okay, so this is the few that I've been watching since a couple of weeks ago. Okay, so JF Tech, all this actually I think we still can watch out as well. Okay, so this one also remain the same, very close with support. They are still hanging near the support. Okay, so the other one is Hang Yuan. Okay, yes, last Friday, so this is last Thursday. Okay, we actually have strength candles coming back. So hopefully this week they're able to stay above 1.7. Okay, so let's say above 1.7, I think will be a good sign. Okay, for Hang Yuan. So this one also I was watching very closely as well. Okay. Well, now let's go into some of the trade ideas from here. If you got any stock, do comment below because I'm interested to look for new setup. Okay, looks like some counters slowly coming back. I kind of like it. Now, do remember like Inari, VS, actually they are still kind of like pretty good setup. Okay, that you actually can watch out as well. So if you don't have any time, okay, you don't have time to look for a new trade setups. Okay, so now SKP Resources looking good. This also after the reversal patterns. Okay, looks like today got a pullback complete, but volume still very low. So I do see Evin. Okay, Evin very strong. Okay, this one probably can do a little bit of momentum trades. SCGBHD. Okay, looks like 1.3 is the main resistance. This is a bit similar like Gamuda. Okay, they are trying at the nearest resistance. Gamuda, yeah, here. 4.75. Okay, looks like still double cross. Still want to cross double cross. So sometimes trading near to the main resistance is a bit tricky. So there are reasons why I don't really like to trade near towards the resistance level. Okay, now Astro we know it is pretty bad, but it looks like they got a temporary reversal patterns over here. This is like okay, let me just zoom in now so I can see better. Okay, it's like a downtrend line. Okay, and then we have reversal. Now looks like a second pullback. This is the first pullback with a couple of strength here. Now looks like another round of pullback is forming in Astro chart. So again, if you want to do for short-term trades, I think it's possible, but do bear in mind, Astro personally I don't really like it as well. Long-term wise, they are still in a downtrend. Okay, so if you want to look for short-term opportunity, I think yes, potentially some technical rebound. Okay, for Astro right now. Okay, the next also tricky counters. Okay, but I think last week also we do cover for the next. Yes, looking for a short-term recovery. I think there's a potential here. So again, we do have some sort like a reversal is forming. Okay, so this is like a first pullback. Okay, sorry, this is the first pullback. Okay, this is now actually heading to the second pullback. Okay, so the next, maybe on the aim for the nearest resistance first. Okay, but looks like very close already today. Okay, so we have D next. Okay, not too bad. SM cap, but I think this one is a bit illiquid. No. Sinaran. Sinaran, no. Drop badly also recently. Solar West. Okay, Solar West looking good. This one also heading to the main resistance. But this one got VCP lah. Okay, good morning, Siwa. Good morning. This one got VCP lah. This is like a reaccumulations, right? So we got the first, second. Okay, maybe hit here. We got a small one, third one before they make a big break. Okay, above 1.8. So this is like a very nice reaccumulation. Like I said, normally stock, if they want to sustain in the uptrend, they will definitely go into a period of reaccumulation. Okay, a sideways or boring periods. But it looks like very healthy this reaccumulation of sideways. Let's look into this analyzer. If let's say they are suitable for long term or not. Okay, 3 out of 9. Not so good actually. Okay, 3 out of 9. Okay, again, for those that who interested in this FA operational ski F, if you want to see how we actually calculate that, okay, you can actually scroll down over here. Here actually is the full details on how we actually kind of like calculate and then whether they fit the criteria or not. Okay, actually you can refer to here. Okay, so there is Solar West. Any other counters that's actually appeared from our list? Okay, we have Pharma also coming. Okay, EG. Okay, previously we trade EG, but after that, due to market condition, I just exit the rule. Hey, Pharma not bad also are coming back. Trying to close the gap. Okay, EG, let's try. Hey, today got other volume. Okay, maybe I'll look back. I will consider back EG. Okay, so this is the previous resistance, turn to support, they break. This is where actually I trouble. So here we'll go volume coming back. If let's say above 1.1, I think will be nice. Okay, for EG 1.1. Okay. Now let's look into some counter actually closed strongly on last Friday because I want to check also which counter actually having a good setups, but haven't really jalan yet. H Corporation, no. Okay, MYEG. All right, slowly heading to this resistance. Okay, UUE lah. We know today jalan further. JT Group, okay. Oh, this one much another chance to do short term. JT Group. Okay, last week also Thursday we got a strong candles coming. Okay, from JT Group. KTI. Hey, this one no bad also. Oh yeah, today jalan a bit. Okay, we got a pullback complete on 27 May. Okay, now jalan further. KTI, sorry, this is KTI. Okay, but never mind, we monitor first. Here got a main resistance here. Okay, looks like a strong resistance here. Okay, so which means maybe later on they will try hit back to 40 cents again, right? So okay, but it's a good setup. Okay, so SMRT. Okay, we got lots of strength actually. This one low risk. Okay, for me I like this one, but this one sometimes a bit boring lah. Okay, reversal. Okay, retest around 90 cents level. Okay, we got a couple of strengths but volume recently a bit low so this one normally you buy need a little bit of patience one. JB Asset, a bit liquid. Econpal, Malakoff. Okay. Scotnet, not really, but Egmont fly a lot. Okay, Egmont Swajan a lot. Okay, so normally, okay lah, this one not my cup of tea already. Okay, MSM. MSM, I remember, is in accumulation phase. Okay. But still prefer KTI JT Group EG lah at this moment here. Looks like today this is the field that actually considered quite good. Okay, this is Inform. We got climatic volume. Watch out for the reversal. I think it would be nice if I said they do a reversal. Parkson, okay. Okay, McLean's. This one got shake up patterns. Okay, this one also quite nice. Okay, we test resistance several times, but looks like they haven't give up yet. Okay, first we got one shake up previously. Last week also got one, but they push up very quickly with volume. All right, support 28 cents. Okay, so this one is good counters actually for me to consider. Okay, if you want to do a little range trading, or maybe hoping for them to make a breakout. Because like I say, again, not doing any buy and sell call, not to say 100%, but most of the time got shake out one, I got chance to make a follow through. Okay, so that is McLean's. Any others that coming from last week? Okay, this one okay, not too bad, but somehow a bit liquid as well. Nothing much. Probably just going to monitor the rest for today. Okay, SNS. Oh, SNS cantik. SNS cantik. This one I like it. SNS. Okay, reversal with couple of pullbacks. Okay, here also we got pullbacks here. Okay, I think SNS is nice. I probably will try SNS today. Do apa macam. Okay lah, still doing shake-up. Okay, still doing shake-up. Okay, KGB, if I'm mistaken, very close resistance. This one also reaccumulation with CP. A bit similar like Solar West, if I'm mistaken. Just now we look into Solar West, right? So here reaccumulation. Okay, this one a bit deep lah. So overall they are like testing at the main resistance there. Okay, but at the resistance that currently, so that's why again, not my cup of tea. Actually, it's nice, just that at resistance right now. My restore ratio is not that great. That's why I just skip. But so far, as for today, the list that actually, the stock that we actually list out, I kind of like SNS. Hey, good morning, monsieur. Good morning. Okay, so far, I think SNS are one of the good one. Okay. I think MTAG, not much volume. Osma got volume building up. Okay, ready for the reversal. Okay, your volume building out at the bottom, so ready for the reversal. Okay, do let me know any stock that you want me to look into. If not, probably we just got to end our section this morning. Short one, okay, again, today at least got some activity, but still a bit quiet. I know, still a bit quiet. So, like I said, you still can actually go back to the past few days ago. Not only Friday, you can go back to Thursday one. Because, like, for example, sometimes stocks, right, they got a strength, but immediately after the strength, they will be quiet for 1-2 days before there's a continuation. Okay, so I think you can actually watch out as well. A couple of days ago, I think it's like Inari, like I said, still worth to watch it. CHHB, let's take a look. Okay, a bit jalan, a bit sometimes already. Copy. How can I forget copy? Shit. Okay lah, tak apa lah. Sakit hati. Kena shake out, after that Q tak dapat. Okay, now let's try MLCB. This is from Monsieur before end house section. Okay, MLCB looks like a deep pullbacks. Pullback yet to complete. Okay, so pullback yet to complete. So this one, Monsieur, yes, we do have if you look into this downtrend line over here, we do have a reversal patterns. Okay, now it's doing the first pullback. Okay, I'm not sure looking for entry exit. Hopefully it's entry, but looks like the 40 MA area should be probably a good area. Okay, but of course now pullback to complete yet. Okay, if you want to, you actually can wait for them to like this a bit. Okay, to look for a low risk opportunity. Okay, like I think okay, again, you're a subscriber of the previous system. You can use the Pentagons, if not, the VF, okay, to help you out. But for our subscriber in XIFU, probably you can wait for this triangle, okay, to appear, so that you know when is the pullback completes will form, okay, around this area here. All right, because it actually just started last week, like this big candle here. So probably I suspect they're going to take a little bit of time, okay, somewhere around this area here to build some sideway. Okay, now if let's say there's no questions, once again thank you for joining me this section over here. Again, if you like my sections, haven't to click the like buttons, haven't to share this out. Again, you know we have telegrams. If I spotted anything nice, I'll post in Telegram, and I'll see you again tomorrow. Okay, thank you everyone.